Hello, welcome to the demo of MoSMB standalone solution installation using Ansible. Ansible scripts for the installation are provided as part of the MoSMB package. For this demo, I'm currently using one node, a single node. This is Rocky Linux 8, and the package I have here. Let's extract it. Accept the EULA, and the packages are available here. The Ansible tar is available here, and the MoSMB package is available in this folder. Let's extract the Ansible tar. So we have copied the package and extracted it, accepted the EULA. Right now I'm demoing only single node installation for standalone node. But you can also install it on multiple nodes using the Ansible script. For that, you will need to set up the passwordless SSH from the controller node to the other nodes where you want to install MoSMB. So where you will do SSH keychain and copy the ID. Currently, I'm doing only one node, so this is something that I will skip. On the controller node, I will need Python and pip3. Anything not available, we will need to install it. So pip3 is also available. If this is required to be upgraded, you can upgrade it. Uh, we will need Ansible, so let's check if we already have Ansible, otherwise we will install. We already have Ansible. We will also need pexpect. It should all ideally be available already. If not, you can install it. It is available. We have extracted the Ansible. Now we will update the configuration files. The inventory file is called hosts. This is the node where I will be installing MoSMB. This is the current node which is also the Ansible controller. Any other MoSMB nodes, you will add the IPs over here. Zookeeper I do not need because this is a standalone installation. Rest are ignored for NTLM local. I will be demonstrating NTLM local authentication installation. So in case you're installing on multiple nodes, you will also need to update the ansible.cfg, where you will give the remote user for which you have set up the passwordless SSH. Of course, the private key file location as well. Since this is single node, I'm not doing this. The other file is MoSMB install config. I will be creating a SMB user which will be used to access the share. The password for accessing the share would be passwd. You can set it over here. The share's name is going to be MoSMB share. You can set the share path. I am going to create restore path is the housekeeping path for MoSMB. This is again another folder. The auth mode is going to be NTLM local for this demo, and the server mode is going to be standalone. And since this is a standalone NTLM local installation, I'm going to set this to true, and that's about it. We will be running the playbook for installation and configuration of MoSMB for NTLM local auth. Any RPMs required for MoSMB would be installed. The dependencies will be installed by the Ansible scripts. The MoSMB package will be installed, and it will also create the MoSMB user for accessing the share. So this version has been installed. MoSMB is running. If we go to any client and let's say we try and access the node, this is going to ask us for the user for accessing the shares. I'm going to give the local user that we had created, and passwd was the password for this user. This is the share that has been given access to. So this was the demo. Thank you.